In this video, we're going to be installing a driver's side mirror on this Ford F-150. Process will be the same for the passenger side. So to start the process of removing our mirror, we have two bolts on the outside. They're going to be T25s. Again, this vehicle on this side is T25 for us. On the other side, it's a Phillips. Your screws might be slightly different. They're going to be T25s. And now you can see that this mirror is already loose. If we pull this mirror, it comes right out. There is an arm that's fed inside the door here. This arm should have been bolted on the inside, to the inside of the door panel. So when you remove these two screws, your mirror should stay put, but this one came out because there was a bolt missing. When we go and install the new mirror, we'll work inside the vehicle, take the door panel off, and show you where this bolt should have been. All right, so inside our door panel here, we have one Phillips screw straight down. And if we go inside our door a little more, we have one Phillips screw right here. And lastly, on this panel, we have to remove our crank handle. Easiest way to remove this handle is rotate it facing up. And you'll see in the bottom there's a little cutout here. This cover is what you're seeing. This is a cover here. So you're going to get in here with a pick or a small pocket screwdriver and pry that front cover open or off. And you can rotate that cover out of your way. Once you're inside that cover, you'll have a T20 screw holding your handle in place. Now what I like to do here is leave that screw in place, slide my cover back over but not lock it. That'll keep your screw in there. And then you're going to have to just pull your handle back and off, like so. You can actually see our panel is pretty loose already. We're going to grab a hold of our panel and we're going to pull it straight into us. There should be some plastic clips straight into your metal door panel that you need to release. Once you've released those, we can lift our door panel up and off. You're going to have to work around your handle here. We'll grab our panel and start to work it up and off and around our handle. It's our new mirror, and this is the arm that we were talking about before that mounts to the inside of your door panel. Your new mirror is going to come with a little piece of foam here. It's going to be adhesive backed. We're going to stick that in place. Your new mirror will also come with a new gasket for the exterior side of your door. We'll slide that in place now. So now from the outside of the door, we're going to put our arm through here. We're going to try and locate it on the inside so we can put that bolt in place. All right, we're not too concerned right now about the bolts or the holes lining up on the outside. We're going to focus on the inside here. So now from the inside, your mirror will come with a new bolt and a washer. So to show you this a little bit easier, we're just going to pull this plastic down a little bit. And right here is where that hole is. And then we'll come outside and we'll do the same with our two bolts on the outside. All right, so now on the outside, we're going to start one of our screws. And the other. All right, now on the inside, the bolt that comes with your new mirror is going to be 10 millimeter. All right, now we're going to put our door panel back on. So we're going to start down the bottom and align our door handle here. I'm going to slide into that handle, and then we'll pivot up and put our lock into the door. We may have to push it down. Have that set in place. We'll line up our pins on the back of our door panel. Give it a few good taps in all the way around. We can put our 2 screws back in. We'll start up here. And one more over here. And we can put our door window crank back in place. Forget our grommet here. So what I like to do is crank my window all the way down. Make sure when my window's down, I'm happy with where the handle is, and or it matches the passenger side. Tighten down the screw in the center. Spin your cap over top. Press it back in place. Give it a check. You're all done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.